Today, I'm super pumped to talk about something that's got my heart racing, the 2025 Lexus LC 500. If you're a fan of that raw, high-revving thrill, buckle up because this beauty hits a screaming 7,300 RPM redline, and I've got a POV Drive feel to share that makes it even more epic. Imagine cruising down a winding road, the engine howling as you push it to the limit. It's pure automotive poetry. Let's dive in and chat about what makes this upcoming update so special. First off, the design. Lexus has always nailed that sleek, futuristic vibe with the LC, and for 2025, they're keeping it fresh with some subtle tweaks to amp up the elegance. You've got that signature spindle grille, sharp LED headlights that look like they're slicing through the air, and those flowing lines that scream luxury grandeur. They're introducing a new exterior color called iridium. It's the shimmering silver that catches the light just right, making it pop on the road. Plus, they've added some underfloor braces for extra rigidity, so it feels even more planted when you're carving corners. Whether you go for the coupe or the convertible, it's got that jet fighter taillight glow and a profile that's basically art on wheels. Compared to older models, it's not a total redesign, but these refinements make it feel more polished, like Lexus is honing a masterpiece rather than starting over. Now, let's get to the heart of it, the engine. The LC 500 packs that legendary 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8, pumping out 471 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. It's mated to a slick 10-speed automatic transmission that shifts like butter. And man, when you floor it, that thing revs all the way to 7,300 RPM. The sound? It's this glorious, throaty roar that builds and builds. Nothing synthetic, just pure V8 symphony. From a POV Drive perspective, imagine gripping the wheel, paddles at your fingertips, and feeling that surge as you hit the gas. 0 to 60 in about 4.4 seconds, and it just pulls relentlessly. If you're into efficiency with a twist, there's the hybrid version, the LC 500H. It combines a 3.5-liter V6 with electric motors for a total of 354 horsepower. And it's got this multi-stage hybrid system that lets you cruise silently on electric power up to 87 miles per hour. It's smoother for daily drives, but still packs punch when you need it. Compared to past hybrids in the lineup, this one's more responsive with better battery tech that keeps things compact without sacrificing space. Speaking of on-road prowess, because let's be real, this isn't an off-roader, it's built for pavement perfection. The LC 500 shines with features like adaptive suspension that soaks up bumps while keeping handling razor sharp. You've got rear-wheel drive for that fun, tail-happy feel, and optional performance packages with things like a Torsen limited slip differential to help you grip through turns. No muddy trails here, but on twisty highways or city streets, it's a dream. It's got that perfect balance of comfort and sportiness that earlier models set the bar for, but now with even tighter body control thanks to those new braces. Inside, Lexus is all about that premium cocoon vibe, and the 2025 updates make it even better. The cabin's wrapped in soft leather, options like Rioja Red or Toasted Caramel that feel luxurious against your skin. The seats are these sculpted buckets with better bolstering for 2025, hugging you during hard corners, and the passenger side gets some Alcantara trim for extra style. Front and center is a 12.3-inch touchscreen that's super intuitive, running the latest Lexus interface with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. They made parking assist standard too, with a panoramic view monitor that makes maneuvering this wide beauty a breeze. The steering wheel's got that varying thickness for better grip, and there's even a grab handle on the console for your passenger during those spirited drives. It's quieter than before, with more sound insulation, but you can still hear that V8 sing when you want to. Versus older LCs, the infotainment is a big step up. No more clunky touchpad, just smooth touchscreen action. And the bespoke build options let you customize everything from interior colors to wheels, including a unique white and blue combo that's exclusive. Pricing-wise, it's positioned as a high-end treat, starting around $100,425 for the coupe, and the convertible bumps it up to about $108,400. Add options like the Sport Package or Bespoke features, and you're looking at $110K or more. But honestly, for what you get, a hand-built feel from Lexus's Motomachi plant, it's worth it. Compared to previous years, it's a slight bump up, but you're getting those new standard tech features and refinements that justify it. It's not the cheapest in the segment, but it undercuts some European rivals while offering unbeatable reliability. Overall, the 2025 LC 500 builds on what made the originals legends. timeless style, that addictive V8 thrill up to 7,300 RPM, and now with hybrid smarts for those who want it all. It's not revolutionary, but it's evolved in all the right ways, feeling more refined and capable than ever. If you're in the market for a grand tour that turns heads and stirs the soul, this is it. From a POV drive, it's addictive, smooth on the highway, ferocious in the canyons. What do you think? Would you go V8 or hybrid? Drop a comment below, hit that like button if you're as excited as I am, and subscribe for more car chats. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.